Hey guys, what is up? Freshwater angling here, heading out on a kayak trip. I'm actually going to meet Joel, the Joel you haven't met yet, at the river because I had a longer day at work than anticipated, so I'm heading out late. And then he's got to be off the water by like 7. It's 4:30 right now. And then the other Joel that was in the first video on the channel is going to meet us around 6 or 6:30. He's coming home from his internship in Philly today, so he's not going to get here till late. But we're going to try to go out and make a video, and I don't know, we'll see what happens, because it's probably not going to be very easy with this camera I'm using, especially on a kayak, so it could be ugly. And we also might get skunked. So yeah. But anyways, yeah, we might get skunked because it's really freaking hot out and bright blue skies, and I don't know, I mean, hopefully we'll catch fish, but that's all for now. I'm sweating because the air conditioning in this car doesn't work, or this truck doesn't work, and I got the windows rolled up so that you didn't hear the wind in the video, so I'm roasting here. But yeah, catch you guys on the water.
Alright, what's up guys? Freshwater angling here. Today we're on the Susquehanna River. We're targeting smallies, paddletail, watermelon. Color for me at least will be the lure of the day. Jeff's on his way, so when he gets here, we'll meet up with him. But until then, it'll just be me. So.
Okay, so we just got to the boat launch. This is...
How's the fishing up this way?
What's that?
How's the fishing up this way?
We catch... This is Joel's car. Little pisser. I'll tell you what. Ha! So, I guess we're gonna go out and see if we can't catch a few fish.
Fish on. Got him. Oh, decent one. Look at that. Oh, got him. There we go. First one in the boat, boys. Not a bad fish. I was just slowly creeping the lure across the bottom, and he smoked it. Get on some more. All right. He's gone. Good start.
All right, guys. So this is Joel Hess. I know you can't zoom. Can you zoom in? Yeah, you can. That's Joel Hess. And he's already caught 2, and I've yet to be fishing, so also the camera's about to die, so that's not good.
Oh, just a little guy. Come on. Number 2. Definitely not the size we're looking for, but a nice smallie nonetheless. Yeah. Got one. actually better than what I thought it was. Alright, she's bleeding a bit, but she's good to go. Oh, this blood all over my boat is freaking disgusting.
Alright, hey guys, this is Jeff and Joel again. Clearly, as you can probably tell from what you've seen so far, our fishing trip cut a little bit short. There was a huge storm that we struggled to get back through. However, Joel was able to catch some fish, the other Joel, and unfortunately my camera died right into it, so I got no content from that. And he was gonna meet us down there. He was coming home from his internship in Philly, and then he was just about there, and I texted him and told him about the storm, so he didn't even get to come out. So yeah, it was a hell of a fishing trip. So alright, so here's just like a time lapse of the storm and what happened, and just to show you how crazy it actually was, because it was a hell of a time out there. Kind of wish you could have been there, because it was honestly a little bit scary.
Yeah, it was a total bitch. I came home and, well, I was probably like 5 minutes out from being ready to leave, and then Jeff and Joel texted me and they're like, "Yo, don't come. It's about to pour."
It was, oh man, it was crazy.
You guys got dumped on.
Yeah, we got soaked. But yeah, so I hope you enjoy the watching us struggle, which I'm sure you all will.
Tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your dad, subscribe, like, comment, give us some feedback, and stay tuned, man. I'm buying a boat.
Oh my goodness. This is freaking great. Oh no. Oh frick. I can't see. Oh yeah, just a bit. Yeah. just gonna fish this tributary to the Susquehanna quick.
There's probably a few brownies in there. Do you need help putting this up here?
No, I got it from here.
Alright.
You're good.
Actually, give me that.